Welcome, my name is Emiel van der Staak. We are here at restaurant the Nieuwe Winkel. I'm going to share a little dish I created, which is the spring roll. And the spring roll, we make it of vegetables that we grate, finely grated, and we add some salt. Then the liquid comes out and we press out all the juice. And then we add some almond oil to give extra flavor, together with the kimchi that we make. And then we roll it into this paper that we make out of the wood of the Chinese mahogany. And Chinese mahogany is a beautiful tree with feathered leaves that have a taste quite similar to onion soup. And what we did not use the leaves, we used the wood. We created a broth out of the wood, and surprisingly enough, that broth tastes a bit like chicken broth. And based on that we make the paper. So the paper of the spring roll made of the wood of the Chinese mahogany. There's also some flowers, some blossom and Chinese mahogany leaves inside this spring roll.